Good morning to everyone. In previous classes, we have discussed aldol condensation. Benzoin condensation is one of the base catalyzed reaction in carbonyl compounds. Today, let us discuss remaining base catalyzed reactions. The third base catalyzed reaction is Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction, 2 moles of aliphatic with alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compound is treated with any base like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to form two products. One is alcohol and another one is salt of acid. Now this salt of acid is depending on the base. In reaction formation, now take formaldehyde. Now these 2 moles of formaldehyde is treated with sodium hydroxide. The product is methanol and also sodium formate. Now the suitable mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. First of all, you take only 1 mole of formaldehyde. Now this 1 mole of formaldehyde is treated with sodium hydroxide. In ionization of sodium hydroxide is Na plus OH minus. Now in actual, sodium hydroxide is base. The characteristics of base to abstracting any active hydrogen. But in this one, in Cannizzaro reaction, you take formaldehyde as reactant. But formaldehyde does not have any active hydrogen. So this one, OH minus is acting as nucleophile. Now this nucleophile is directly attacking at carbon. Then immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form oxenium ion, and also we observed new CO bond. Now this oxenium ion is treated with another mole of formaldehyde. And oxenium ion is unstable when compared with carbonium ion. Oxenium ion is turns to carbonyl functional group by the loss of or by the elimination of H minus. That means hydronium ion. This hydronium ion is acting as nucleophile. Then nucleophile is directly attacking at carbonyl carbon. Immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side. Again we observed oxenium ions. Then to form two products. One is formic acid. Another one is methoxy ion. Now this methoxy ion is unstable when compared then formate ion. Now this O minus is abstracting this hydrogen. OH bond shifted to oxygen side. Again we observe O minus, that means formate ion. And also another product is methanol. Methanol is one of the alcohol. Now this formate ion is bonded with partially sodium plus to form sodium formate. The products of Cannizzaro reaction is alcohol and salts of acid. In this one, methanol is observed and also sodium salt of formate ion is observed. Another base catalyzed reaction is Perkin reaction. And fourth base catalyzed reaction is Perkin reaction. In Perkin reaction, aromatic aldehyde and acetic anhydride is treated with sodium acetate in the presence of 100 degrees centigrade, and also in acetic medium we observe cinnamic acid and acetic acid. And in Perkin reaction, you take aromatic aldehyde and acetic anhydride is treated with sodium acetate in the presence of 100 degrees and in acidic medium to form cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Now in reaction formation, aromatic aldehyde, you take benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride formula CH3COO C double bond O CH3. These are acetic anhydride formula is treated with sodium acetate CH3 C double bond O Na in the presence of 100 degrees centigrade and also in a acidic medium to form cinnamic acid. And the byproduct is acetic acid. In Perkin reaction, mechanism is more important in our syllabus. The mechanism of Perkin reaction. The mechanism of Perkin reaction is involved several steps. In first step, sodium, you take sodium acetate. In ionization formation of sodium acetate, now these are reversible reaction to form CH3COO minus and plus Na plus. In this CH3COO minus is acting as base, acetate ion. Acetate ion is acting as base. Now this base in second step, now this base is treated with acetic anhydride CH2 and H and C double bond O and C double bond O CH3. Now this, you know that the characteristics of base is abstracting of active hydrogen. Now this O minus is abstracting this hydrogen. The CH bond is shifted to carbon side to form carbanion ion CH2 minus and C double bond O and C double bond O and CH3, and the another product is acetaldehyde. Now this carbanium ion in step 3, this carbanium ion of acetic anhydride is treated with the reactant of aromatic aldehyde like is benzaldehyde. Now this carbanium ion is this carbanium ion is acting as nucleophile. Now this nucleophile is adding at carbonyl carbon, immediately double bond shifted to oxygen side to form oxanium ion C6H5CO minus, and hydrogen is right on downside position. Now in this step we observe new CC bond formation. That new CC bond formation is indicating thick lines CH2 and C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Now this reaction is treated in the presence of acidic medium. Now this O minus is abstracting these H plus ions to convert OH. The product is C6H5COH and H CH2 C double bond O and O C double bond O CH3. Now this product is for involving further reaction on hydrolysis. Now this product is on heating, involving on heating. By the loss of water molecule, we observe unsaturation product C6H5 CH, double bond CH, C double bond O, and again O, C double bond O, CH3. Again, this compound is involving treated with or involving hydrolysis. Now this compound are involving in hydrolysis by the cleavage of OC bond to form cinnamic acid. The byproduct is acetic acid. The another base catalyzed reaction is haloform reaction. The mechanism of base catalyzed reactions is and fifth base catalyzed reaction, haloform reaction. In haloform reaction, only alpha methyl containing carbonyl compound is involved. Now if you take RCOCH3, methyl carbonyl compounds is treated with haloform and 3 moles of haloform in the presence of 4 moles of sodium hydroxide to form the product is sodium salt of acid. Sodium salt of acid and also haloform CHBr3. Now these are called haloform. In IUPAC name is 1,1,1 tribromo methane. The byproduct is 3 moles of water molecule and also 3 moles of sodium bromide. And last base catalyzed reaction, an important base catalyzed reaction is Neowengal reaction. In Neowengal reaction, only aliphatic alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds is involved. Now you take R aliphatic alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds like CH3, CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. Now this alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde is treated with malonic acid and CH2, C double bond OH and C double bond OH in the presence of pyridine. In the presence of pyridine by the loss of water molecule. In malonic acid H2 and carbonyl compound O by the loss in the formation of water molecule to form CH3 and CH double bond CH and again CH C double bond O CH and C double bond OH and also C double bond OH product is formed. Now this compound and involved further reaction and strong heating by the loss of carbon dioxide to form CH3, CH double bond CH and again CH double bond CH and C double bond OH. In IUPAC name of this compound, these are the carboxylic acid functional group. In neighboring carbon alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Now alpha, gamma, beta, gamma, gamma, delta unsaturated carboxylic acid is observed. In common name of this compound is sorbic acid. In sorbic acid is prepared by using of Neowengal reaction. In total base catalyzed reaction, all 6 reaction is most important and mechanism of aldol reaction, benzoin condensation and Perkin reaction and Kenizaro reaction is very important. Thank you.